The landscape of systems engineering is undergoing a fundamental transformation. Traditional roles once dominated by hardware expertise and low-level programming are increasingly being absorbed by software engineers, wielding high-level languages, with Python leading this revolution. For decades, systems engineering meant intimate knowledge of hardware architectures, assembly language, and languages like C or C++. Engineers spent years mastering the intricacies of memory management, register allocation, and direct hardware manipulation. These skills formed an impenetrable barrier to entry, creating a specialized discipline that few could master. Python's ascent in systems engineering represents more than a simple language preference. The language has evolved from a scripting tool into a comprehensive platform, capable of handling tasks previously reserved for compiled languages. Modern Python frameworks can interface directly with hardware, manage system resources, and orchestrate complex infrastructure with remarkable efficiency. The abstraction layers Python provides have democratized systems engineering. Where C required manual memory management and deep understanding of pointer arithmetic, Python handles these complexities automatically. This shift allows engineers to focus on solving higher-level problems, rather than wrestling with implementation details. The result is faster development cycles and more maintainable codebases. Cloud computing and containerization have accelerated this transition. Infrastructure as code has become the dominant paradigm, and Python excels in this domain. Tools like Ansible, Terraform's Python bindings, and countless automation frameworks have made it possible to manage thousands of servers with scripts that would have required extensive C programming just a decade ago. The performance gap that once justified low-level languages has narrowed considerably. Just-in-time compilation, optimized interpreters, and the ability to write performance-critical sections in C while maintaining a Python interface have made the language viable for increasingly demanding applications. When pure Python proves insufficient, libraries like NumPy and extensions written in Python provide near-native performance. Machine learning and data analysis capabilities have given Python an unexpected advantage in systems engineering. Modern systems generate vast amounts of telemetry data, and the ability to analyze this information using the same language that manages the infrastructure creates powerful synergies. Engineers can build predictive maintenance systems, optimize resource allocation, and identify anomalies using the extensive ecosystem of Python data science tools. The economic factors driving this shift cannot be ignored. Training engineers in Python requires significantly less time than developing expertise in low-level systems programming. Organizations can hire from a much larger talent pool and achieve productivity faster. The abundance of open-source Python libraries means less code written from scratch and more focus on business-specific problems. Traditional systems engineering roles have not disappeared entirely, but have evolved. The deep hardware knowledge once required for most positions is now concentrated in specialized niches: embedded systems, real-time operating systems, device drivers, and performance-critical applications. Even in these domains, Python often appears as a prototyping or testing tool. The integration of DevOps practices has blurred the lines between systems administration, infrastructure engineering, and software development. Python serves as the lingua franca across these disciplines, enabling seamless collaboration and knowledge transfer. An engineer can write deployment scripts, analyze system metrics, and build monitoring dashboards using a single language and consistent tooling. Educational institutions have responded to this shift. Computer science curricula increasingly emphasize Python for systems concepts that were traditionally taught using C. Students learn operating system principles, networking, and distributed systems through Python implementations, only diving into lower-level languages when absolutely necessary for understanding fundamental concepts. The open-source ecosystem surrounding Python has created a self-reinforcing cycle. As more systems engineering tools are built in Python, the language becomes more capable in this domain, attracting more developers and creating more tools. This network effect has proven difficult for alternative languages to overcome. However, this transition brings challenges. The abstraction that makes Python accessible can also obscure important details. Engineers may lack understanding of underlying system behavior, leading to inefficient designs or difficulty troubleshooting complex issues. The industry must balance accessibility with depth of knowledge. The future of systems engineering will likely involve a hybrid approach. Python will continue expanding its reach, handling an ever-growing percentage of systems work. Simultaneously, a smaller cadre of specialists will maintain expertise in low-level programming for situations where it remains essential. The key skill for modern systems engineers is knowing when each approach is appropriate. This transformation reflects a broader trend in technology: the movement up the abstraction stack. Just as high-level languages replaced assembly for most application development, Python and similar languages are replacing low-level systems programming for many infrastructure tasks. The engineers who thrive will be those who embrace these tools while maintaining awareness of the layers beneath.